So we are in the old capital of Jamaica, Spanish Town, of course, and I almost said not even dog on the road, but there is one. Oh, two. Both of them hanging out. So we're almost there. And even though kind of big deal, even though it's Good Friday, we're out doing the delivery. Customer is not available, but she asked me to leave with the neighbor. If only the neighbor around the bar, so I'm gonna have a shot of rum. No, I'm gonna say that. Just a one beer, and then we go. Alright, thanks for accepting for us, and thanks for being a part of the family. I'm gonna ask them to make sure there's a card on the bottom of it. I'll tell them to put on their mailbox number and invite you to be a part of the shipping family. This is the name of the shipping company, so you can ship for the side. It looks like you buy a whole lot of things from Parental. Alright? Okay. Because it's even my favorite inside for you.
Sure, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just put it right on the chair.
Yeah. Who is it to pick it up? The young lady or?
Yes, yeah, the young lady.
What's her name?
No man, her name is not on it. Cherry.
Cherry.
Yeah. Alright? Alright, so have a good one and thanks much.
Thank you.
Yeah man, and there you have it guys, on the delivery trail, even though it's a holiday special request, we got you. I'm gonna have my beer now.